The knee replacement is done for people who have crippled life with knee pain. After knee replacement, the complete pain is relieved. The patient gets joy of motion and goes back to his or her all the activities what they used to do say 15 or 20 years back. Generally, after knee replacement, they should avoid sitting on the low couch, they should avoid sitting on the floor, they should avoid squatting. But with the new prostheses which are available, patient incidentally can do all these activities. Also, in the hospital itself, patient can start walking without walking aid, patient can start climbing and coming down the steps or stairs and can do all the activities. After knee replacement, non-impact sports or activities like swimming, like golf also can be actually practiced. So the patient can look after their fitness levels also. Some activities like impact sports, that is they have to be avoided. But generally at that age they don't play football, they don't play tennis. In our center we ask them to go for a brisk walk. Also climbing on a hill also is allowed. After the knee replacement, generally the patient can start driving a car in about 6 weeks to 8 weeks time. In India, patients do ask us whether they can drive two wheelers also, which they can actually start driving after 2 months. But generally, they have to be very cautious as it is having some risks because there is no protection levels. But knee replacement itself doesn't prohibit a person from actually driving a two wheeler. There is no limit on how much patient should walk. As per their tolerance levels, patient can walk for their fitness levels and for their routine activities. They can also commute in a public transport vehicle.